Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
SharePoint Agent automates common tasks and surfaces, documents directly inside SharePoint sites. It reduces navigation friction and speeds up document workflows across teams. The agent connects to Microsoft 365 accounts and respects existing permissions and policies automatically. You will not need to change your existing sharing model or user roles. Use the agent to search, tag, and summarize files without leaving SharePoint. It can suggest metadata and folder locations based on content and usage patterns. Install the Agent app from your SharePoint app catalog and grant it site-level permissions during setup. An admin must consent to connectors for Microsoft 365 and Azure Active Directory. Configure connectors and set the data scope by site, library, or folder to limit indexing. Choose metadata extraction rules and approval workflows for automated tagging. Set retention limits and a 90-day sync window for initial indexing to accelerate discovery. Review and save settings to start the first sync. Open the Agent panel in any SharePoint library to run natural language searches and get summarized answers. Type queries like showlist quarter reports and review short summaries and file links. Approve suggested tags manually or enable automatic tagging for trusted libraries to save time. Use version history and comments highlighted by the agent to track changes and decisions. Monitor sync status and errors on the agent dashboard with item-level details and remediation steps. Adjust settings anytime to refine search relevance and tagging rules.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.